Hello guys, welcome to Digital Learner. First of all, advance happy new year to one and all. So today in our Facebook page we have reached the 150 followers in a short period of time. So 150 followers is nothing but a large amount, but in a short period it will very uh, I think it is very difficult to reach a very. We have started a Facebook page in a very short period of time, so we reached that to, amount of 155 followers, nearly 155 plus followers actually. So thanks for your supporting. So actually the main motive of the video is this video is to tell that thanks to you supporting. So as same as YouTube channel also it has reached that 70 followers almost. So the remaining social media websites also has reaching the almost trying to getting still some people are following our pages, so like Instagram, Twitter, so all the pages links are given below. So who are not following still, so then click on that link, those links, then they can follow us. So first we discuss about what is this channel and what is this page for. So this Facebook page for mainly for the our YouTube channel. So actually videos will be first posted on YouTube. So I think to start we are planned to start that post or videos on Facebook page also. So that's why we can make that Facebook page, and in a few days after 1 or 2 months we can again post all the videos in the Facebook page also. So the next thing is what is our YouTube channel means, simply it is say that it is a new trending technology which is related to the education field. So we are trying to give some away some better knowledge to viewers. So that is in our channel we are providing HTML, that is web designing courses and C language courses and various other courses, and also some materials and notes. So that was given in the descriptions. So material links also given there. So trying to explain some classes and online classes, that is different branches which is related to different branches. And we have collected that some more videos from the other channels also. So actually that was not uploaded in our channel, but the playlist was be added to our channel. So if you can any face to, if you have any difficult to this on this channel, so you can ask again to us questions to us. So then we try to solve the problems. And next thing is we are also planning in the next from next year onwards, that is very few days for the start to start the next year. So from next year onwards, we are trying to start the competitive exam question and answers, that is aptitude, reasoning. So all those things we are added. Uh, we are trying to add these videos, so we can we can very short period of time we can post those on Facebook page also, because more number of people are following from Facebook page. So actually the YouTube's followers also views also there are a lot of views, but actually the Facebook was fastly developing. So we are we can post in a very short period of time. So you can subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page to get that very short, and activate the bell icon, and like it will look like this. So when you activate this, so you get these notifications. So uh, coming to YouTube, we have from, actually it was showing last 12 months we have started then very from 1 month back only we have started this channel. Actually we have created this channel last year, but actually some reasons videos are not uploaded on this channel. So there is another channel trying to upload it on the, we have concentrated on that channel, so we are not uploaded on this channel. So it is very difficult to 14.8 hours, that is 15 hours in a very short period of time, almost 1 month of time. So within 1 month we have reached 15 hours watch time. So there are, from last 7 days also, there is totally 137 views. It is very big achievement to us, because how it will says how the peoples are following us, and how the peoples are like our videos. So if you want any other, not only for this, if you want any other information regarding to only education purpose, so which will helps to your education career, so then you can also comment, or you can personally message. So you can message through any page, and you can, there is a mail id given in the description. You can also mail us whatever the courses you required. So you may just simply inform to us, then we have tried to start it. And we are also going, we have also some designing courses also, that is AutoCAD. And we are trying to make that, to develop this, how the robotics and how industries field is looks like. So we are also giving that information regarding to that, how the machineries, how the networks, and how the computers, this will also be provided. And we can give a lot of things we can provide, try to provide maximum from our side. So once again, happy new year to one and all. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to our channel and follow on our pages, so you will get that. And if you have any information, then please comment and like to our videos, and share our videos in your WhatsApp, Facebook, and other social media networks, like Instagram, Twitter, and etc. So if you can follow us on our web page also, that is brweb.cf, so it will be here. So this is our web page. So actually that, we are trying to start this different courses, and here there was WhatsApp groups also for each and every topic. So you can, by clicking here, so you get this WhatsApp group. Actually there are some more groups we have created for designing people who are learning for AutoCAD. They can join this group, and we'll regularly upload the AutoCAD videos links in these groups. And there is some more this, which is regarding to mechanical department, that is fluid mechanics and mission tools. And there is one group for part-time job for students, and there is money earning also. Actually this is not actually, we are this is for related to other group, sorry, not other group, other channel. And so when we come to our other website, there are different types of websites. So these are our websites. You can choose here. And coming to videos, here the entire videos from the YouTube, Facebook, and all the social networks we are uploaded, we have created. So that will be classified into various things. So basically according to the, to whatever that means, uh, uh, according to, we can classify those all the videos, and we can make it to single page. And we are trying to start, and it's like a course. So the course cost also is nothing, so we are trying to starting is free of cost. So this is our website, and for you can, by subscribing here, or you can click on follow by clicking on follow link. So it is given in the description, bottom side. So yeah, here it is. Yeah, here you can enter your mail id, then click on get notification. You get that mail, you can get that all the information, or post whatever post we can post on that our website, that will be reaches to your mail also. So you can follow us by clicking on follow. So thanks for watching video, and hope you can understand our other videos also. So if you have face any difficulties, then click on that page. So you can write a comment or message, you can personally message to us. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share videos and like the videos. Thank you.